What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Alright, like to welcome y'all to this vlog here. Well, I mean, I love for people to rate my comments, subscribe, and everything, you know. But you know what the problem is? A personal question or comment or whatever, you know. So, you know what? I appreciate it if people keep their comments clean and not ask a silly, arrogant question like that, you know. So somebody, I ain't gonna mention nobody's name, asked me, tell me that this girl was always at my house. How come I didn't hit that? You know what? I'm not certain who that is, but I probably would have 100 anytime soon. I might know who that is. I don't know yet, you know. But for somebody to ask me a question like that, how come I didn't hit that? And I know exactly what they meant by that, you know. But the thing is, keep your perverting comments to yourself, and do not comment on my videos if you gonna ask a nasty, arrogant, perverted question like that. You know, I don't know, you know, but I'm not just speaking to one person though. You know, I'm speaking to anybody that has arrogant things to say. You know, so anybody that say anything wrong or anything else gonna be blocked, you know. So like I said, the next time this person comment on my videos inappropriately and everything else gonna be blocked, you know. Well, by the way, Nyla ain't gonna know about this unless she watched this video, or if I tell her or whatnot. I don't know if that'll happen, you know. Okay. So, and then this other guy was it my girlfriend? That was a good question though. I wish she was though. You know, this other person seemed like he a fan of my show. You know, so whoever the other guy is, you know, I don't know how to pronounce his name though, but he comments good on my videos sometime. You know, I applaud him for not asking me silly questions. You know, So he pardon my stuttering. So he a good supporter as far as I know. Okay, so I applaud him for good taste in shows. You know. Okay, so anybody else that watch my videos, like going to the parades and doing everything else and stuff like that, I applaud them for that too. Okay. Yep. Yes, indeed. So on that note, folks, I really appreciate your support. If y'all support my videos, you can like, comment, and subscribe or whatever. But if you gonna comment decently, okay? So do not comment with profanity or anything else, you know. No cursing or whatnot. Yeah, I curse on my videos sometime though. Yeah, I do sometime, you know. Sometimes I have cursing in my videos, you know. But sometimes it come out of nowhere, you know. Alright. So I must say, folks, I mean, for anybody to just comment on my videos about how come I didn't hit this, you know what? A person don't kiss and tell, okay? And plus, about my personal conversation and stuff, I mean personal business and stuff like that, it ain't y'all business, okay? So, whatever happens. It stays to myself, okay? So I don't need to prove that to nobody, you understand? Okay? So, the thing about this, about somebody commenting, asking a question like that can hurt my nerves, you know. That can really upset me to the highs, okay. So I must say, folks, do not do not ask me a question like that. Okay. All right. So there's gonna be more to come on the Domino 7 show. So I am debating on going to the Zulu parade this year. You know. So the thing is, where I'm living at right now, I'm close to the Zulu route. You know. I didn't go last year. You know. Because I ain't felt like going, okay? So, I must say, folks, though, I mean, I ain't go last year, as far as you folks know, okay? If I would have went last year, you folks would have known, okay? Y'all definitely would have known if I would have went to the Zulu parade last year, okay? Because it would have been uploaded to my on this channel and my other channel, okay? So as far as you folks know, you know, so I'm debating on going to the Zulu parade this year. So I don't know if I will go to the Zulu parade this year, okay? So by me getting a little, almost a tad bit agitated about that personal question, talking about how come I ain't hit that, is like somebody want me to do some kind of pornography on my videos or my shows, you know. Like I said, this ain't no whole channel, okay? All right, just like I was supposed to keep this on my show, but I ain't gonna. I'm not gonna keep it all though. Okay. This time when this girl Tanya told me she wanted to come on my show in a bathing suit, you know, for what? Come on my show in a bathing suit for what? You know? Why come on my show in a bathing suit? You know? That'll be a stupid idea. You know? I know I'm gonna have ratings and stuff like that. You know? So So by all that said and done and stuff like that, that's a little outrageous. Number two, on another hand, or number three, on any other hand, or four, whatever, whatever part that I'm consistent of, you know. But I would appreciate it if y'all would keep the comments clean and not ask any personal questions. Okay? So just like if I have a child or whatnot, it ain't y'all business what I do or whatever else, you know. Because like I said, if I have a child, I have a child. Okay. So this is a decent channel and stuff like that. It's not about personal stuff like that, you know. It's about video gaming. It's about what else? It's about video gaming. It's about vlogs. It's about me interviewing and stuff like that. And plus, I go on the bus every now and then, okay? Because you know I love to film on the buses, okay? So if y'all watch my videos from a few years back, y'all saw that I film on the buses, okay? Yep. As y'all know, I done my show from New Iberia to New Orleans, from New Orleans to New Iberia. I know y'all saw that episode, okay? Yep. Okay. So that's it for now. All right. So make sure y'all do what's right, because if anybody that say hatred stuff or personal questions, talking about how come I ain't sleep with that or have sex or whatever, doing stuff like that, gonna be blocked. Okay. So I blocked somebody recently, you know. So that's it for now. All right. Bye.